If a barn and a mansion had a child, it would be this property. This incredible barn mansion brings luxury to country living. The Utah home has been dubbed the Barn, and it's one of the most massive mansions that is more playhouse than a home. But don't let the red paint and peaked roofs fool you. This estate offers a lifestyle far removed from simple country living. The home includes a man-made pond stocked with fish, a boathouse, swimming pool, motocross court with a state-of-the-art motorcycle maintenance shop, a spacious outdoor gathering area that is surrounded by pin trees with a fire pit, a Storybook treehouse, a Little Red Schoolhouse, and plenty more to keep you entertained. If this isn't enough, your guests will enjoy coming to visit you with a luxurious stay in the hotel-style guest house. Located in Orem, Utah, this sprawling mega mansion features a sumptuous 22,000 square feet of living space with the addition of a recreational facility nestled on 20 acres. It's simply called The Barn, and with its towering gambrel roofline and impressive stone silo, it literally is a barn. The family who created this one-of-a-kind fairy tale estate spent upwards of $32 million on construction and design back in 2006. The home is thought to be the largest residence in the state with a timber frame, which is what gives it that rustic look and wide-open rooms with dramatic vaulted ceilings. The rustic interiors are punctuated with massive stone fireplaces. With 9 bedrooms and 20 bathrooms, so you might find the size to be a little bit overspacious, but the architects did a great job of making the rooms feel warm and welcoming. The spaces were designed with expansive windows that draws nature in and helps to capture the majestic mountain vistas. This chic barn mansion comes with all the amenities you could possibly dream of in a home and more. From the soaring ceilings, bedrooms with spectacular mountain views, a beautiful country kitchen, and the perfect home library to cozy up in. The mansion also comes equipped with a theater room, a boathouse, and of course a playroom for the kids. The barn was built in 2003 on 19 acres and includes endless amenities, including a private engineered pond stocked with trophy-sized fish, a boathouse, resort-style swimming pool, hotel-style guest home, large fire pit, a Storybook treehouse, a schoolhouse, and even a full motocross track with service shop. The property is further enhanced with large mature trees and includes the largest private grove of sequoia trees in the state of Utah, ensuring incredible privacy and seclusion. Situated less than an hour outside of Salt Lake City, Utah, the location is perfect for those who love the outdoors and skiing in the winter. This extravagant estate needs an action-loving family. The home was listed for $19.5 million.